In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form with Jotform, an incredibly versatile tool that can simplify collecting information efficiently. Whether you're organizing an event, conducting a survey, or gathering feedback, Jotform offers a user-friendly interface that allows you to create and share forms with ease. First things first, let's open up your preferred web browser and search for Jotform. Type Jotform into the search bar, and you should see the link to the official website right at the top. Click on it to be taken directly to Jotform's homepage. Here, you might notice a few options available to you, whether you're new or returning to the site. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in by entering your email and password. If you're new to Jotform, no worries, simply follow the prompts to sign up. It's a straightforward process, usually just requiring a valid email address and the creation of a new password. Once you're logged in, you'll have full access to Jotform's capabilities. Now that you're inside, you'll want to choose Form from the dashboard. Here you'll be faced with a choice: starting from scratch or using one of the many form templates Jotform has to offer. If you're looking for something quick and easy, templates can be a lifesaver. Jotform hosts an extensive library tailored for various needs, be it reservations, registrations, or feedback collection. But if you have a specific design in mind, starting from scratch is a great option as well. Within this process, you'll reach the customization step, where you can truly make the form your own. This is where the magic happens. Jotform's interface makes it easy to drag and drop elements into your form. Want to add a new question? Simply click and drag where you want it. Need to incorporate a drop-down menu or a text box? You'll find those options readily available. Take time to tweak the form's look by adjusting colors, fonts, and backgrounds to suit your brand or personal style. Once your form is looking just right, it's time to share it with the world. Head over to the Publish tab. Here, Jotform provides you with a public link to your newly created form. This link is what you'll use to share with potential respondents. You can send it via email, share it on social media, or incorporate it into your website. And that's it. Your form is ready to go. You've just learned how to create a form with Jotform. By utilizing this tool, you're well equipped to gather the data you need, presenting it in a way that's both appealing and efficient. With practice, you'll also discover even more advanced features that Jotform offers, ensuring your forms are as dynamic and engaging as possible. Thanks for watching, and happy form building.